Let's talk about situations in which you would call us to print a part as opposed to printing that part on your desktop FDM machine. So the first is if you have a customer review part. So if you're looking for essentially a part that's going to mimic the end product for a customer presentation, SLA is going to be definitely the way you want to go there. If you're prototyping a part with, say, like snap fit, living hinges, or things where your tolerances just really matter, right? So if we're trying to do a fit check, a fit and form check on a part, SLA is definitely the way to go. If you're looking for a part with uniform strength across the X, Y, and Z, remember I was saying we have uniform strength across all three axes. So if you're looking for a part like that, SLA is definitely where you're going. And then let's be honest, guys. You guys have been printing a part on your FDM machine long enough. You know what will work and what won't work, and what part's just going to look terrible when it's done. If it's one of those parts, SLA is going to be your choice. Let us print that part for you. And then finally, I see this application a lot. So we have customers come to us and need multiple materials. So say, for example, a flexible part over the top of a rigid part, or a flexible part inserted into a rigid part. SLA is going to be the fastest way to accomplish that.